The cost function of a firm is given below. We've been given output and we've been given total cost. Okay, so I'm going to rewrite this as columns. We have output and we have total cost. Okay, and of course you all will use scales, right? 0, 1, 2, 3. It's a short and sweet sum, only 3 marks. All right, and we have 30, 90, 110 and 120. Now they want us to calculate AFC, and we need to know that AFC is TFC, or simply FC, total fixed cost or fixed cost upon quantity or output. Okay, so in order to get AFC, I first need TFC. Output or quantity is already here, right? We already have it here. Total cost is here. So how do I get, I need to get fixed cost or total fixed cost. Okay, so I need to remember that total cost is equal to total fixed cost plus total variable cost. So if these people want us to calculate average fixed cost, we first need total fixed cost. So that is one column which anyhow is required. Then going forward, they want average cost, and remember, average cost or average total cost is equal to total cost upon quantity. We have total cost right here, so there's no worry. Right, so going forward, we then need to get marginal cost, and remember the formula for marginal cost is total cost at one level minus the total cost at the previous level, or change in total cost upon divided by change in quantity. And because quantity changes every time by 1, it's just change in total cost. Anyway, so in AFC, we need TFC. So we are now in a position to get AFC. The next thing that we need is AC, and we have a formula for that. And the last is MC. Okay, so now we are in a position. All right, and please use a scale whenever you all are doing it. Do not use freehand. Now that I have everything in place, I'm in a position to calculate. Okay, remember that total fixed cost is total cost at a level of 0. Why? Because logically, total cost is equal to total fixed cost plus total variable cost. Now, if your output is 0, that means your variable cost has to be 0. So if you have a total cost of 30, that is nothing but your total fixed cost, because isolating, solving for TFC, we know that it's 30. And fixed cost by definition remains the same no matter how much your output is. So like this. Now if I want to find average, 30 upon 0 we don't get into, we just put a dash. 30 upon 1 gives us 30, 30 upon 2 gives us 15, 30 upon 3 gives us 10. Then average cost is total cost upon quantity. So 30 upon 0, for example, we don't get into. 90 upon 1 gives us 90. 110 upon 2 gives us 55. 120 upon 3 gives us 40. Please use a calculator. Then for marginal cost, we again look at the changes in total cost. First level always a dash. 90 minus 30. 90 minus 30 is going to give me 60. 110 minus 90 is going to give me 20. Similarly, 120 minus 110 gives me 10. With that, we're done with this question.